So let's do the same thing for the holidays. So let's move to our controller. So we can copy from here and paste here inside the holiday controller. So let's move down and paste here. So here let's change it from employees CV to holiday request as PDF, and here we can use the holiday. So we will get the holiday, and we don't need to define name. So we have the PDF, so we need to import the class, and here the view will be inside holidays, PDF holiday, and we send the holiday. And here we can add names. We can use holiday ID, and here change it to requests or holiday requests, holiday requests, and that's all. Okay, so now we can use the same thing inside the controller. So let's copy and paste here. So instead of employee, so let's change it to holiday, and here the controller is holiday, and here the name, let's change it also to holiday.pdf. So now we are done. So next, what we need to add the view. The view will be the same as the show. So let's add first the view here. So the view is PDF dash holiday dot blade dot php, and we need so as we have done before, so we need to add structure, and we can now use the same thing as show. So let's move to the top. So let's bring this from here and use it here inside the title, and now we can bring just the table as we have done with employees. So don't use classes because it will not work. Okay, so let's paste here, and I think that's all. So we have everything here, but as I said before, so we need to change here to the public path, so instead of the asset, because the package doesn't know the asset, so only Laravel who knows the asset. So here let's organize, and that's all. So let's move to show holiday or holidays, and add here the route. So the route will take us to download or not download PDF. So what is the name? So let's go again. So I forgot the name of the route. So what is the name here? So holiday.pdf. Okay, so let's copy, paste it here, and we need the holiday ID, and we are done. Okay, so let's try and see if everything is okay. So let's refresh the page. So let's move to the holidays. So let's change it to, or let's do something. Let's change it here to holiday requests. So let's move to the sidebar. So I think holidays or holiday requests is better. So here we have the holiday requests. So I think it's better than holidays. So holiday requests. So let's view this one. And if we hit download as PDF, so as you can see, we have two holiday requests. And let's see, so you have here the information. So we have the holiday request starting on and in, status notes, but we have here the download as PDF, so I forgot to remove. So let's remove the link from here, so we don't need it. So we don't need to download also the link. So save. Let's go again and choose another. So for example, this holiday, which is pending, and download. And here is the holiday request. So we have starting, ending, and here it's pending, hired, salary, department, position, and status of the employee. So now we are done with downloading holidays and employees. So next, what we need? So we need now, so I think we are done with everything. So we need now to move to the admin. So we need to see the admin and add also the login functionality and protect our route. So only the admin who can access the dashboard, okay? So let's start with controller and later we add the login form.